ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this Bitcoin technical analysis video. And today we will be going over where is Bitcoin going in the immediate short term. So starting off on the daily time frame, we are still bearish. We are still in a very clear downtrend with lower lows and lower highs. So that's still what I'm seeing on the daily time frame. Still want to point out that we are in this range, and a 60K Bitcoin is still very probable. Now, if I just zoom in here to this price action, obviously, we are in some type of fractal. Bitcoin obviously has been range bound and broke down. So I do want to point that out. Now if we zoom in a little bit, it seems that Bitcoin is in some type of rising wedge. This is a bearish bias pattern. A lot of times when we have rising wedges, they tend to break down instead of up. So obviously we've been consolidating up. There is a very high chance for a fall down, a breakdown. So I would just be careful. I know a lot of people are feeling very bullish right now because we have obviously pumped, but we are obviously in a rising wedge, and I would just be cautious with putting in any type of long position. As you can see, we are at near trend line resistance. So going over to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, again, rising wedge, very bearish pattern. I would just be cautious in putting any type of long position because we can break down. Now, going over to the 2-hour time frame, as I said in my previous video, I was entertaining a short with this trend line. I did put in a short, but I took it out because of the type of price action we hit with the break even. So I was very cautious watching this price action develop. Obviously, because of this trend line has been very, very key the last couple of weeks, dating all the way back to mid-December. As you can see, we have touches, and Bitcoin seems to be respecting this trend line. As you can see, we touch here, resistance, touch here, resistance, and then we flipped it here, and then that's when we saw the pump, and then obviously touch here, both pump, and then once we broke under, we were just flirting with it beneath it, and then we broke up, came, touched it, we had a nice pump, so and then we finally broke down, and we are right now reacting with it. So I'll just be keep an eye out. It seems that we did break through on the 2-hour time frame. We do have a nice breakthrough right here. Obviously, we're coming back for a pullback, and we could see higher Bitcoin break to even higher levels. So what am I seeing now for the immediate short term? Now that we broken this trend line, almost flipped it. Well, if we go over to the 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, very nice breakthrough. Very aggressive, very strong. This looks very healthy. I think we can come and touch maybe the trend line of the rising wedge pattern, and even entertain some of these trend line touches. Until now, I definitely do see Bitcoin going a little bit higher before a major pullback. So that is what I'm seeing right now in the immediate short term. So just a brief overview of of where I see Bitcoin going. Obviously, higher time frame, rising wedge, bearish pattern if we break through. But in the immediate short term, I do see Bitcoin pumping to at least 38K, 39K, 40K. That is definitely in the cards. And that is, if you are in any long positions here, that is definitely an area I would be taking profit. So that is all I have for you guys in this Bitcoin technical analysis video. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.